Here the question is, if the mode of the following distribution is 55, then find the value of x. Hence find the mean. So here given class interval is 0, 15 and the frequency is 10. 15, 30 the frequency is 7. 30 is 45 the frequency is 6. And 45, 60 the frequency is 15. 60, 75 the frequency is 10. And 75, 90 the frequency is 12. Here the mode is given as 55. That means which falls in the class interval 45 to 60. So model class is equal to 45 to 60. And we know the formula mod is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 the whole divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. L is the lower limit of the model class, that's equal to 45. F1 is the frequency of the model class, that is 15. F0 is the frequency of the previous model class, that is X, and F2 is equal to 10, and the H is equal to 15. Now substitute the values. Mod is equal to L is 45 plus F1 is 15 minus F0 is X whole divided by 2F1. 2F1 is 2 into 15 minus F0 is again X. F2 is 10 into 15. Now simplify. Mod it's given as 55. 55 is equal to 45 plus 15 minus X into 30 minus X minus 10 into 15. Move this 45 to here. 10 is equal to 15 minus X the whole divided by 20 minus X into 15. 10 into 20 minus X is equal to 15 minus X into 15. Now simplifying, this is 200 minus 10x is equal to 225 minus 15x. So we will move this 15 to here and 200 to here. That is 15x minus 10x is equal to 225 minus 200. That is 5x is equal to 25 and x is equal to 25 divided by 5, that's equal to 5. So we will get the value of x. Hence the missing frequency x is equal to 5. This is the value of x. Now we need to find the value of mean. We know the formula mean is equal to sigma fi xi the whole divided by sigma fi. So we will draw a table class interval, that's equal to 0 to 15, and fi is 10, then xi that's equal to 7.5, and fi xi that's equal to, in this case this is 75. Now 15 to 30. Fi is 7 and the class interval is 22.5 and Fi(xi) is equal to 157.5, 30, 45, that is 5, 37.5 and 187.5. Now 45 to 60, that is the frequency is 15 and Xi is 52.5 and 787.5. 50 to 60, that is 10 and 67.5 and we'll get 675. Now 75 to 90, that is 12 and 82.5, we'll get 990. Now the sigma Fi is, that is 59 and the sigma Xi is 2872.5. Now mean is equal to 2872.5 divided by 59. That's approximately 48.69, or we can write 49. So this is the value of mean. Hence the final answers are x is equal to 5 and mean is equal to 48.69. These are the final answers. That's all in this video. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next video.
Need 100 by 100 in maths? Join the Samacheer Kalvi Guide. We provide online classes and concept-based videos for class 10 and 12. Need 100 by 100 in maths? Join the Samacheer Kalvi Guide. We provide online classes and concept-based videos for class 10 and 12